Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to remove your bumper off your ZRE152 Corolla hatch. Now, to start, we're going to want to come over here. It has these two small clips either side. Just going to take these out. Now if your car is equipped with mud flaps, you're going to want to take these two 10mm out. And then come under here and take out this one as well. Then next there are there's one here and one all the way over there, two clips, so take them out as well. Alright, so all of them out. Next what we're going to do is go here, just pull back on this gently so it's out. Here with the other side, that's out. Next open the boot. We're going to have two 10mm, one either side. We'll take them out next. Okay, so here is our obvious evidence of our mud flap. On the mud flap, or on a car with the mud flaps, there's a clip here as well, other side. Alright, so once you have your mud flaps removed, you have all four clips underneath, two clips on the side, and these two 10mm removed. You just want to get the bar, pull it from the sides. That's it.